Imagine a complex network, buzzing with activity, controlling every thought, action, and sensation. This is our nervous system, a biological marvel that dictates our interaction with the world. It's the command center of our body, a superhighway of information constantly receiving, processing, and sending signals. From the beat of our heart to the feeling of a warm embrace, the nervous system orchestrates it all. This intricate system is made up of two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. While the peripheral nervous system acts as the messengers, carrying information to and from the central command. The nervous system is built of billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons are the building blocks of our nervous system, each one playing a crucial role in how we think, feel, and move. They are the messengers that carry information throughout the body, responsible for everything from simple reflexes to complex thoughts and emotions. Picture them as tiny electrical wires, transmitting signals quickly and efficiently. Each neuron has a cell body containing the nucleus, the control center of the cell. Branching out from the cell body are dendrites, resembling tree roots, increasing the surface area to receive more signals. Extending from the cell body is a long fiber called the axon, the talker of the neuron. Axons are covered in myelin, speeding up signal transmission. At the end of the axon are branches called axon terminals, connecting to other neurons or muscles. These connections, called synapses, are where neurons communicate, allowing for the transfer of information. When a signal reaches the axon terminal, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters, crossing the synapse to bind to receptors on the receiving neuron, muscle, or gland. This binding process is essential for the continuation of the signal, ensuring that the message is passed along accurately. The efficiency and speed of these processes are what make our nervous system so remarkable, allowing us to react and adapt to our environment in real time. From the simplest reflex to the most complex thought, neurons and their connections are at the heart of it all, making us who we are. Not all neurons are created equal. Each type of neuron has a unique structure and function that contributes to the overall operation of the nervous system. There are three main types of neurons: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons are our link to the outside world. They detect stimuli like light, sound, touch, taste, and smell, converting them into electrical signals. These signals are transmitted to the brain or spinal cord for processing, ensuring real-time information about our surroundings. Imagine feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. Sensory neurons detect the heat and send that information to your brain. Motor neurons carry signals from the brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands, causing them to contract or secrete hormones. They allow us to move, speak, and swallow. Without motor neurons, performing even simple tasks would be impossible. Interneurons are the connectors that facilitate communication between sensory and motor neurons. They play a crucial role in reflexes, like pulling your hand away when you touch something hot. Together, sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons create a complex network that allows us to interact with and respond to our environment. The brain and spinal cord serve as the central hub, processing and relaying information to ensure our body functions smoothly. Every reaction, movement, and sensation is a testament to the incredible work of these neurons, the foundation of our nervous system. The synapses, or connections between neurons, are where the magic happens. Electrical impulses travel across these tiny gaps, allowing neurons to communicate with each other. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers, are released at the synapse, binding to receptors on the receiving neuron and triggering a response. This intricate dance of electrical and chemical signals enables us to react to our environment swiftly and efficiently. Learning and memory are also deeply tied to the activity of neurons. As we learn new things, our brain forms new connections, strengthening the neural network. Problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity all stem from the dynamic interactions between neurons. During development, neurons grow and form connections, laying the groundwork for future cognitive abilities. Advanced imaging techniques allow us to see the brain in action, revealing the complex patterns of neural activity that underlie our thoughts and behaviors. Practices like meditation and mindfulness can influence neural activity, promoting mental well-being and resilience. Remarkably, the brain has a degree of plasticity, meaning it can adapt and reorganize itself, even in response to injury. Rehabilitation and therapy can help harness this plasticity, aiding recovery from neurological conditions. The study of neurons not only helps us understand the human experience, but also paves the way for advancements in medicine and technology. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the nervous system, we move closer to breakthroughs that could transform our lives. The journey of understanding neurons is ongoing, and each discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the human brain. At the heart of our nervous system lies the brain, the most complex organ in the human body. This intricate organ is responsible for orchestrating every function that keeps us alive and thriving. It's the seat of our consciousness, the source of our thoughts, emotions, and memories. Every decision we make, every feeling we experience, and every memory we cherish originates from this incredible organ. This 3-pound organ is a testament to the power of evolution, a biological supercomputer capable of processing vast amounts of information in milliseconds. Over millions of years, the brain has evolved to become the command center of our bodies, adapting to new challenges and environments. The brain is protected by the skull, a bony helmet that safeguards this delicate organ from injury. The skull's structure is designed to absorb impacts and shield the brain from external forces. But the brain's protection doesn't stop there. It has multiple layers of defense to ensure its safety. It's also enveloped in 3 layers of membranes called meninges, which provide further cushioning and support. These layers act as a barrier against infections and other potential threats. The brain is also bathed in cerebrospinal fluid, a clear, watery liquid that circulates around the brain and spinal cord, providing nourishment and removing waste products. This fluid is essential for maintaining the brain's health and functionality. This fluid acts as a shock absorber, protecting the brain from sudden movements. It ensures that the brain remains stable and cushioned, even during rapid or unexpected motions. The brain is a marvel of efficiency, consuming only about 20% of the body's energy, despite its relatively small size. This energy is used to power the brain's countless functions, from basic survival instincts to complex cognitive processes. Neurons, the brain's building blocks, communicate through electrical and chemical signals, creating a network of activity that underpins everything we do. This intricate communication system allows us to think, feel, and interact with the world around us. The brain's plasticity, or its ability to change and adapt, is another impressive feature. This adaptability enables us to learn new skills, recover from injuries, and continuously evolve throughout our lives. As we continue to study the brain, we uncover more about its mysteries and potential. Future discoveries hold the promise of unlocking even greater understanding and advancements in neuroscience.